When it comes to losing weight in a healthy way, food choices are key. Some foods can help boost metabolism and burn fat, while others can sabotage your weight loss efforts. Here are some foods to consider including in your diet if you want to lose weight in a healthy way. Lean protein. Protein is essential for weight loss because it helps maintain muscle mass and burn fat. Healthy options include chicken, turkey, fish, beans, lentils, and tofu. Non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are low in calories and rich in nutrients, making them a great option for weight loss. Options include broccoli, asparagus, bell peppers, zucchini, cauliflower, and spinach. Low-sugar fruits. Fruits are an excellent source of vitamins and nutrients, but some are high in sugar. The healthiest options include berries, apples, pears, and grapefruit. Healthy fats. Not all fats are bad for you. Healthy fats, such as those found in olive oil, avocados, and nuts, can help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Water. Drinking enough water is essential for weight loss. Helps stabilize hydrated and control hunger. Be sure to consult with a health professional before making any major changes to your diet.